Hi, I'm Lisa Briscoe. I'm a certified occupational therapy assistant. Occupational therapy, or OT, may sound like it involves finding a job or developing work skills, but in school-based OT, we actually assist children with strengthening motor skills as needed for daily occupations such as dressing, tying shoes, using utensils, writing, cutting, and all of the tasks that a child participates in as part of their school day. Many of the areas of difficulties that children experience are related to a deficit in posture, strength, and coordination. While PT focuses on the larger muscles in the body, OT focuses on the smaller muscles. We work with kids to teach them how to function as independently as possible within the challenges of their physical, emotional, or learning difficulties. In OT, we typically use activities and techniques that seem like play. In reality, they're designed to target areas of delay and difficulty. This might include using a swing to work on posture and balance, using scooter boards to work on strength, catching balls to work on using two hands together, and using toys to work on fine motor skills. Many of our students come to us with sensory issues. This means they have difficulty processing and tolerating information they get through their senses. OTs use sensory-based interventions within play-like activities to help children better process and tolerate the stimulation they encounter throughout their school day. OTs also work closely with your child's teacher to recommend things like writing utensils and adaptive tools to assist with weak motor skills, seating solutions to keep your child from fidgeting, and weighted items to help them remain calm and focused. We sometimes recommend specific activities that we call sensory breaks to assist your child with being able to sit and attend to their lessons throughout the day. Our goal in OT this year is to keep our kids moving and playing in safe and appropriate ways.